Isn't it done yet? It has to be done yet, right?
I know, it usually goes quick.
What's wrong? You don't want it in there anymore? No? Go spit it in the garbage. Go spit it in the garbage. Go spit it in the garbage. Your head is not going to explode.
It's not going to explode.
Matt was lying.
Silly.
Would you go spit it out? Matt, you're so mean. You're going to make my kid, like, die or something over here.
Go spit it out. Matt's kidding. It's not going to make your head explode.
It's not going to hurt you.
All right, come on. Spit it out. Hurry up. Go in the garbage. Hurry up. One,
Honestly.
two, hurry up.
It's
Ready?
probably not
We're gonna
even
debone
sour
it. Ready?
anymore.
1, 2, spit it out. Go. Hurry up, quick. Good job. Oh, we're good.
I want
Here. Was it that good?
Well, go take a drink of the
Take a
chocolate.
drink.
I need water. I want water.
Hurry up, come on. We'll get you a glass of water. Hurry up. Ready?
Hey, right here, right here.
We got water. Ready? Here we go. We got water. Is it better? Ready? Drink it. Here he is. Oh, Mustafa. A lot better, right?
I don't
Told
think
you
it's
that.
sour.
Oof.
Is it sour? They're not like that or anything, right?
There's watermelon.
Got better? Much better, I'm sure.
How'd that treat you? Not good.
You don't like that candy? You don't want any more of that candy?